Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. A tune-up report for Jay in Missouri on this Galaxy DX98vhp. Jay, we got her fixed up for you, man. Peak tune and alignment. You also requested that we do an amp on-off switch. You want it right here on the 10 kilohertz switch. When it's in the off position, all the way left, the amp is off. Move to the center and the amp is on. Let's demonstrate output power right now with the amp off. Turn the RF power all the way down. It's going to keep about a half a watt. And about 3.5 all the way up. We're a 100 watt slug, going to look at average power. Low, at 22 bird average. Peak watts. Low, 44 peak watts. Flip it back down in average mode. Flip the amp on. Turn the off power all the way back down. 5 watt slug. About 4 watt carrier. 100 watt slug. We're going to turn the RF power wide open. Looking at 40 watts carrier. We'll roll this carrier back down some. I'm going to show you average power. Low. It's bouncing around the 100, 105 watts average. We're going to go to peak. 2x position. Now reading like a 200 watt scale. Low. In the corner. We'll go down to 5x position. 20 right there is now 200. That mark there is 250. Hello audio. So we're seeing about 235, 240. Hello audio. About 235 watts peak. Alright Jay, I hope you enjoy it. We're going to show you this thing down here to the Show Me State from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.